Welcome to this 1 minute yoga practice for beginners. In this video, we will explore 5 essential poses to help you build strength, increase flexibility, and feel more relaxed. Let's get started. Pose 1, Mountain Pose. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, engage your core, feel strong and grounded. Arms by your sides, relax your shoulders. This is Mountain Pose. The foundation of all yoga poses. Pose 2, Downward Facing Dog. From mountain pose, bend forward and place your hands on the ground. Walk your hands forward, lifting your hips up and back. Keep your elbows slightly bent. This is downward facing dog, stretching your hamstrings and calves. Pose 3, Cobra Pose. Lie on your stomach with your hands under your shoulders. Inhale, press your palms into the ground and lift your chest and head off the mat. Keep your shoulders down and away from your ears. This is a Cobra Pose, strengthening your back muscles. Waiting for part 2.